Välkommen till Malmö. Welcome to Malmö. Malmö is the third largest city in Sweden.
There are many attractions in Malmö. We will just visit a few.
Due to the current situation of the world, we will just visit some parts of Malmö. I will have a different vlog of the city center of Malmö. Watch out for my early morning walk vlog in Malmö.
Now let's take a look what to see in Malmö.
The Apoteket Leonet is a pharmacy located in a very old building in Malmö.
The building was built in the 19th century, just mainly for the purpose of the pharmacy.
And at the back of the pharmacy or the building are apartments, restaurants, and offices.
In just a few minutes walk from the building, you will find the St. Peter's Church.
St. Peter's Church was built in the 14th century. It is the oldest church in Malmö. Malmö, or Skåne, was part of Denmark before 1658. That made this church town the biggest in Denmark. Until in 1658, by the Treaty of Roskilde, Malmö became part of Sweden. Now to our next stop. The Turning Torso. The Turning Torso is the new futurist residential skyscraper in Sweden and the tallest building in Scandinavia. Turning Torso is located near the Öresund Bridge in the Swedish side. While you are in Malmö, do not forget to visit the ribersborgstranden. There you will see the sunset and the beautiful view of the Turning Torso, as well as the Öresund Bridge. the Öresund viewpoint.
Ano siya, oh. Denmark na siya dito, oh. That's Denmark. Hindot kayo sa nga tanan. Orange ka ayo.
So this is the Öresund Bridge, the bridge that connects Sweden and Denmark. So the cars and trains are passing on this bridge to and from Sweden or to and from Denmark. The car is passing on the top of the bridge and the train is passing under the bridge. We can see a little bit of the sunset in Denmark side. So what we are looking now is the country of Denmark. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more of Sweden, subscribe. Watch for the early morning walk in Malmö vlog as I take you to the city center without worrying social distancing.